I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a seller's permit in Wyoming. First, you need to confirm if your business requires a Wyoming sales and use tax license. This is generally needed if you sell taxable goods or services. Before starting, collect key details such as your federal tax ID, business entity type, and the date of your first sale. Remember, there is a one-time application fee of $60 for this permit. The most efficient way to apply is online through the Wyoming Internet Filing System for Business. Begin by selecting the New Users. Click here to Sign Up option. You will then review and agree to the terms and conditions. Next, accurately input your business's basic information, including its name, mailing address, and contact details. This ensures the Department of Revenue can process your request correctly. As you continue the online application, you will need to specify the types of products or services your business sells. There are also 10 yes or no questions regarding your business operations that require careful answers. Finally, ensure the application is properly signed and dated. For partnerships, all partners must sign, while for corporations or LLCs, at least one officer or member needs to sign. After submitting your application, you will receive an email confirming its receipt. Within 3 to 5 business days, the state will send another email containing a PIN number. You will use this PIN to complete the final submission steps online. Once approved, your Wyoming sales and use tax license will be issued, and the $60 fee will be billed to your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.